Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a new address to your Zalando account. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now you should click on the profile icon down below, which is the last option. Now scroll down to the addresses section and tap on the add new address button. Now you should type in your first and last name, your address line, additional delivery information, the name of your city that you are living in, your postcode, your country, and you can also select whether this is your delivery address or billing address. So if you are done with filling in all these forms, you should tap on the save button in the upper right corner of the screen, thereby adding your new address and saving these details that you have just added. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.